This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the Opera web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera web browser opened up now. To change your download destination in the Opera web browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to where you see the red O. I'm going to click on the red O. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, I am under the Basic tab. And in the center pane, I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom to where you see it says Advanced, and I'm going to click on Advanced. Then I'm going to scroll down quite a bit further to where you see the Download section. And in the Download section, it'll show where your default download destination is. Off to the right of that, it has a little button that says Change. I'm going to click on Change. And in the dialog box that opens up here, you can choose a different destination. Say that I wanted to change my download destination to my desktop. I'm going to go off here and I'm going to click on Desktop. And then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my download location is at my desktop now. That is how to change your download destination in the Opera web browser. Thanks for watching.